Hello guys, welcome to the back my channel Tech Zone. I am Hayatullah Karimi. In this video I want to show you how you can assemble uh, multifunction desktop holder. In this area I got it. I was this product with this thing stand. It is iron, and with this holder place how you can fix, and this stick also come adjustable any every angle you want, and also come with this holder for it will be very big. It's especially come for tablet and for mobile, also for phone also usable. It's very good. And as you see I'm watching down because I'm operating my phone, my camera, because this video recording by my Osmo Pocket 2 and I'm controlling by my phone. It's connected to my phone. That's why I'm watching something in down, because video should be clear. For assembling you have to open this screw in the down right now, like this. You put this screw in here, fix, because this have some narrow area in around of this screw in here, and fix this one. This is fixed, and after that you have to install this thing. It's very easy. You have to little bit unscrew. This is tight. Unscrew this one, pick it up and put this here like this, and after that you can tight this screw again. This will hold this stand very properly. Fix it in which size you want. Now it can stand everywhere like this can. And now turn this for assembling this mobile holder or tablet holder. First of all you open here, like this. Open it and put inside them, and you carefully fix it here, because he is have a ball and there is adjustable. Careful, it should not break, like this. It's fixed in the area, and this thing again you tight to scroll here. Like this you can tight it very carefully, because it's plastic. They should not break. It's become tight. Look, it's not moving. When you want move and adjust, it will do unscrew and it will adjustable. For a better option you have to fix like this area and tight it, and after that you have to screw here. For this you have to unscrew. Then here is one screw also, and put here. As you can see, this now ready, and I will show you. It's recording by my phone. I will put in my phone here. You can use in several part and several type. You can use like this, very adjustable. Okay guys, you can put down, top, and here little unscrew, and you can do like this in this area, or down also, and you can put like this. As I am recording, in every angle if you move, they will be stand proper. Now this is ready. I can use for operating my camera here. As you can see, here is stand my phone, and you can fix the tablet also. He can adjustable in the tablet, same thing. And this was my new product, and I show you how you can assemble. Thank you so much guys till here. If you have any question or suggestion, you put in the comment below, or you wanna assemble some new product or anything, you can tell me in the comment below. And for giving me motivation, please subscribe the channel and like the video. Hit the bell of the notification. That notification it be the on. You can see next my video very easily in the phone. I'm trying to fix everything proper. Today I was giving some order that was came by missing some part. I gave to light order. When they come, and again I will make a video for you guys. Thank you so much till this time. Till the next video. Bye.